Hello everyone, my name is Pritesh Ranava, founder and coach CSTM Lab India. Today let's review the newly launched WRO 2026 Elementary Robo Mission category. So I have set up all the fields and I'll explain each and every mission based on the official rulebook which I have printed. So let's start with the fixed position targeted area. So these are the instrument, we have to fix it on the particular position, don't want to randomize any objects. Then after, these are the nodes, so we have to keep as it is on this orientation only. Then after, robot starting area, after this cliff you have to keep as it is. After that we have two cables. The starting position of the cables are 1 and 2. Then after, speakers and amplifier. So in this game all elements are on the fixed position of the starting of the game. So let's start with first. Let's discuss about the fixed position. So if you don't remove the cliff, you will get the bonus point. Then after, the microphone, you have to pick it the microphone and place it to this area. Then after, there are two cables, you have to place it on this particular area. Each cable 15 points. If it's partly touched, then it covers the 5 points. If it's full, if it's like this, then also you will get the 5 points. You will get the full point, means 15, if your cable are on this orientation. So there are two cable, so total 30 points are for this cables. Then after, microphone, it contains 20 points. If it partly touches, then the points are 10. If it's full, then also you will get the 10 points. But the thing is, your microphone should be touched over here, right? If it's like this, then you will get 0 points. Then after, we'll talk about the instruments. This all three instruments, 1, 2 and 3. These are completely inside the targeted area, instrument targeted backstage area. This is the backstage area. So each contains 15 points. If it's partly touched, then you will get the 0 point. Your all instruments completely inside the backstage area, then you will get the 15 point each, and total points are 45. Then after, these are the nodes and these are the node target area. So in this mission, it's very simple. You have to pick and place it to the correct color area. If it's yellow, then you should place it to the yellow area. If it's red, then you should place it to the red area. Now we'll understand based on the rule book. If your base completely inside or touching to the black and red area, then you will get 20 points. Still, orientation is outside, but the base is touching over here, then also you will get 20 points. If it's partly touches to the black and red area, then you will get 10 points. If it's full, then also you will get 10 points. But if it's not touched, then you will get the 0 point. Or if you position or place it to the wrong area, then also you will get 0 points. So this all are missions, and there are 5 nodes, total 6 nodes. So each 20 you will get 120 points, blue on blue, black on black. So for this 6 placement you will get 120 point and 20 point each. Now if you don't move the microphone or clip, the points are 10 points. If you do not damage or not move, then you will get 10 points. If it's little bit move but still touching to the blue area, then also you will get 10 points. But if it's not touch or fall or damage, then you will get 0 points. Then after, same for the amplifier and speaker. If your speaker move but touches to the area, blue area, then you will get 10 points. But if you move, then you will get 0 point. Same as amplifier. If amplifier do not move or touches to the area, then you will get 10 points. Else you will, if it's damaged, then you will get 0 point. Same as for the second speaker. So the total game is of 255 points. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for the more updates. Thank you.